In this video, I'll show you how to change Microsoft account in laptop Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So firstly, click on your start menu just like so. Now click on your account name or username and then go to change account settings. Once you are on this window, as you can see, this is my Microsoft account. I want to change it. For that, click on sign in with a local account instead. Once you tap on it, it will ask you to switch to a local account. Then click on next. Now give your current PIN number, or you can give here your Microsoft account password. I'll simply type my PIN here. Once you fill your password or PIN, then it will process further. And now we need to give our username for local account and then provide your new password, confirm it, and also give a password hint for your password. I don't want to add any password for my local account. If you want to add, then you can simply add it and confirm it. Once you do all of these things, then tap on next. Now just hit sign out and finish, and then it will start signing out and sign you in as a local account. There you go, I have successfully signed in as a local account. Now if I go to start menu and click on my username, go to change account settings. Here you can see my PC currently has a local account which I just recently created. Now all we need to do is tap on sign in with a Microsoft account here. I'll simply tap on it, then it will open this window. Here we need to provide our different Microsoft account details which we want to use now. I'll simply type my email address here first, then click on next. Now enter your password. I'll type it here and then click on sign in, and as you can see, I have signed in my computer. Then we need to provide our current Windows password here which you created while creating local account, but I didn't add any password in my local account. That's why I'll leave it as it is. If you created any password in your local account, then type it here and then click on next. There you go, I have successfully changed my Microsoft account in Windows 11. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.